Hello, this is Agent Sir, and today we are going to discuss and solve a lot of questions from simplification. In the previous video, we have completed percentage, and in this video, we are going to complete simplification and so on. I have been working for you guys for last many days on especially for mathematics of SSC CGL, and so just because I wanted you to be on particular condition from where you can lead yourself till from tier 2 and till from the selection tier 1 to tier 2. So I'm going to help you on the way of analysis after the analysis of all the questions being asked in previous years. So I have the PYQs especially asked last year. So if you complete these questions, these types of questions from the chapter, so you will be leading somewhere. So let's discuss today that there are 4 types of the questions in this chapter, especially in simplification, which were asked. Especially there are 1 to 2 different questions which were asked, but that not that important. So I have taken only those questions who that have been asked consistently in all the shifts. Okay, so let's move forward, and here we can see that the first topic that I'm going to teach you, simple questions. Simple means where you don't have to put a lot of logics, you don't have to put a lot of you don't have to exert pressure on your mind a lot, but simply you can solve that. So the simple questions which were asked is that question number first. You can see and you can solve this. Solve before I attempt this, and here you can go with this. So the first question is under root this all value in under root 5 into 196 divided by 14 plus 25 minus 4. So how you can solve this? Very simply, there is no logic solving this question, where to start from, how to start from. You can solve this simply. Solve it. So if you divide 14, so 14 196. Now you have 14 into 5, that is 70, plus 24 minus 25 minus 4, that is 21. If you include that all in under root, so that is 91 under root. Simply question number first ka answer, the answer is A. Okay. Next question. This is question number 5. I have taken this is the sequence is question number 2, but the question number 5 means from first to all the questions asked in SSC CGL previously. So I have taken from that. So that is the question number 5, also from simplification. Simple question. Evaluate this. Now how you can solve this question? This is written 1 upon under root 7 minus under root 5 minus 1 upon under root 7 plus under root 5. You know that this is the part of especially rationalization. You do rationalization and you solve this question. So you might be knowing, I'm not teaching the basics, I'm not teaching anything. I'm just telling you that how you can solve this question. You might be already knowing. I'm just making you through all the questions you can think of even. So as you know that in rationalization that becomes a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. A square means 7, b square means 5. So 7 minus 5, that becomes 2 in the bottom. And if you just place this and this value there, so what happens? 2 root 7 is root 7 plus 5, root 5 minus root 7 minus plus root 5. Okay, so here you can see that this value is deducted, and then 2 root 5 by 2 is left, 2 and 2 divided, then answer is root 5, option by. So you can see that this is the very easy questions of rationalization only, nothing is tricky here. Next question of question number 6, what is the simplified value of this? You can solve easily you can solve this. How? You can see that here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. It means 45 into 10 power minus 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 6, and then here you can see 9 into 10 power minus 3. Why? 1 2 3, after 3 digits there is a decimal. How you can solve this? 9 5s are 45 into 10 power 3, that is minus in the bottom, goes up on the numerator. So minus 6 plus 3, that becomes minus 3. The answer is option number B. Very simple question. So this is why I have taken this in simple. Now simplification. You earn 84 rupees in 4.5 hours. Find your hourly wages as a fraction. That's very easy. How you can see this? Solve. I know that you can solve this. If you solve all these questions, so you are in a very great position now. You don't need to worry a lot. Just focus on your practices. Now, you earn 84 rupees in 4.5 hours. How you see 4.5 hours? 84 rupees. They are asking about hourly. So, if you see that in 1 hour, 84 upon 4.5. So, don't write 4.5, write 45 and then put 10 in the numerator. How you will solve this? From 3. Or you can solve this 15. 15 3 ja 45. 15 5 is 75 and then 90. So this becomes 6 times 56 upon 3, option number B. That becomes very easy. Next, a number that is both an integer and a whole number is integer and whole. So if you talk about this minus, so this is not the whole number because it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. If you talk about 0, it can be possible. 2 by 3 is not an integer, root 5 is not an integer. Answer is option number B. That becomes very easy question from number system, but is taken in simplification. Now, one more question, root 7 plus 3, find the value of x square minus 6 root 7. So that is the question. I want to tell you that this is based on algebra. The question is based on algebra and you are going to just solve this with this identity. What? That is x square. X square means here you have x means root 7 plus 3. It means root 7 plus 3, the whole square of this minus 6 root 7. And you know that what? When it opens a square plus b square plus 2ab, you know that you get 2 into 3 root 7 means this value ends here. Means this will be minus. So don't write this. Just imagine and count and just solve in your mind. So if you solve one step, you don't have to write this. Just write a square plus b square plus 2ab is deducted. So 7 plus 9, that is 16, option number C. This is how you can solve this. Okay, let's move further. Now you have to add this. So I don't think that I'm going to solve this. You can solve this very easily. Okay, you can solve this. I'm not going to solve this question. This is very easy. I'll just tell you how you can solve this. Is you have to see from here you are going to do this one very simple thing. Just do this thing, 0.045. Take 0, 0. Just this thing. Add and give the answer. Next, simplify this. Root 20 plus 125. Now, how are you going to do this? Why is this simple? Because square root. 20 means 5 into 4 plus 125 is 25 into 5. Now, you know that 4 is the square of 2, that comes out of that, plus you know that 25 is the square of 5. Now you add this because root 5 is common, so 5 plus 2, 7 root 5, option number B is the answer. Simple. That's why I call it simple. Now, this is the same question, root 5 minus root 2. Earlier it was root 7 minus root 3, root 5. So, simple question. You can solve this. I am not going to solve this. Okay, next question. That is, this is more easier. Root 3 plus root 2 plus root 3, root 2 minus root 3. Now you know that what is going to happen? Rationalization. And in the rationalization, what you're going to do is always we take the opposite sign. Here it is minus, so it means root 2 plus root 3, root 2 plus root 3. But never do this. Never take this step. Why? Don't take this step. Why? Because you know that if this is the negative, so this will be the positive. It means we are going to do what? Root 2 plus root 3 whole square and a square minus b square. That is 2 minus 3. That is 2 minus 3. Now what you are going to do is a square plus b square. That is 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2ab. It means 2 root 6 divided by minus 1. Now how you see this? Minus 5 minus 2 root 6. If you divide by minus 1, option will be. Don't do these all the things. This is how you're going to solve in the examination. Simple question. Now I'll tell you how to solve this. This is very simple, but people make it different, make it hard, and they teach a lot of things like how you can think of a whole square, etc. I must tell you have to make 7. The square of any two number from this, that makes 7 is the answer. Root 3 square 3 plus 2, that is 4. 7, that is the answer. Because here if you square 4 plus 7 will not be 7. 3 plus 5, 8, not the 7. 5 plus 3, 8, not the 7. Answer is 8. Simple. This is how you're going to do in the examination. Next question. What will come? So x, I don't know what will come. So x divided by root 81 means 9 is equal to root 121, that is 11. 10 plus 1, 11. You know the answer. 9. Why? This will be deducted. Next question, simplification. Simple question. How are you going to solve this? 12 into 3, 36 means 6 minus 3 into 27. 81 means 9. 6 minus 9 minus 3. Answer. Find the product of this. Very easy. How are you going to solve this? 12 divided by 100 into 5 divided by 10. 60 divided by 1000. It means 10 will be divided 0.06. Option number A. Next question. What will come in the place of this? How you are going to solve this? You know that this will be deducted. Why? Because 2ab, yeah, it means 6 root 5. This will be deducted. So don't think of it, just think a square plus b square. A square plus b square is equal to x. Simple. So 5 plus 9, 14 is the answer. This is the way you are going to solve in the examination. Most of the candidates, they don't know what they do. A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to x plus this, then they deduct and then they add, then they tell the answer. Question is that 72, that is 36 into 2 plus 20, it means 5 into 4 minus 18, that is 9 into 2. Simple. Then solve this. 36, then 6 comes out, root 2 is inside. 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. What you can do is 6 minus 3, that is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 5. Option number B. Very easy. Next. Evaluate this. 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 3 means 3. And then here divided by 1 by 10 plus 1 minus 8 by 10. Solve this. So that becomes 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 10 plus 10 minus 8, 2 by 10. That becomes 3 by 10. So 3 by 5 divided by 3 by 10. So from 3 to 3, 10 goes up, then 10 upon 5, that is 2. Option number B. This is how you can solve this. Next question is find the value of, you can add this. So the following represents the correct simplified value of this. Z is equal to this. So that is 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. This is the question. So you know how to solve this question very well. That is that 4 4 just 16 plus 1, 17 by 4. So that becomes 17 by 4 and 4 goes here. 17 into 4, 68 plus 4, 72 by 17. 72 by 17. 72 by 17. 72 comes here, 17 goes here. Now multiply by 3 plus add 70. So 3 2 just 6 plus 3, 233. 3 2 just 6, 3 7 just 21 plus 17. 2 to 3 divided by 72. Okay. Now solve this question. This is very easy. I must explain you. This is 2. 2 is to 1 by 4. 3.8. 2 is to 1 by 5. Now you can solve this very easy question. Let's go move. Let's move forward. I'm not going to solve this. You can solve this. Next is same. Very easy question. 3 is to 2 by 5. Divide by 0.8. Just solve this. Okay. 3 5 ja 15 plus 2, 17 by 5 into 0.8. That becomes 10. Now you can solve this. 5 2 ja 10, 2 4 ja 8, 4 4 ja 16. Option number C. Easy. This root 72, that means 36 into 2. So 36 into 2. 36 means 6 root 2 plus 5 into 4 means 2 root 5 minus 18, that is 9 into 2, that is 3 root 2. Simple. Now 6 minus 3 3 root 2 plus 2 root 5. Next is this 1 by 5 divide by 1 by 3 means multiplied by 3 divide by 1 by 10 plus 1 minus 8 by 10 means 2 by 10. 2 by 10. You can solve this like 3 by 5 divide by 1 plus 2 3 by 10. 3 by 10 3 3 5 to the 10 2 goes there. Option number B. Next question. Very easy question, you can solve this. Find the product. I must give you one step to solve this into 2 by 5. Now you can solve this. Okay. So I must tell you minus 2 is to 4 by 5 plus 1 is to 3 by 8 divided by 0.55. You can also solve this, not tough question. So 56, this is 56. So you can also write this 28 by 5. 28 by 5. How? Because this becomes into 2 into 2 10, 28 into 2 56. So that becomes 2 5.6. So 28 upon 5 minus 5 2 ja 10 plus 4 14 upon 5. So 28 minus 14, that is 14 upon 5. That becomes 14 upon 5 plus, now you can solve this, 8 1 ja 8 plus 3 11 upon 8. So 8 into this value. So that becomes 8 5 ja 40, 8 5 ja 40 plus 4 44. So that is 4.4. 4.4 means 44. So that becomes 11 10 ja 11 4 ja, and then that becomes 5 by 2. Now we can solve this by 10 making 10. So how we can make 10? That is 28 by 10 plus 10 upon 4, 5 into 5, 25 upon 10. Now you can add this to 28, 25. That becomes 5.3 divided by 10. Next question, what is the value of this? So that is very easy. 5 by 6 into 3.6 divided by 0.9. So 4 times 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 5 2 ja 10 by 3. Option C. Easy questions are there. That's why I'm solving like this. You can also solve. 2.5 means 5 by 2 plus 5 by 8 whole square minus 7 by 4 into 2.4. That becomes, if we multiply by 4, that becomes 20 plus 5 by 8 whole square minus 4.2. That becomes 25. Square of 25 is 625 divided by 64 minus 4.2. So now we will divide this 625 64. Okay, so that becomes 9 4 6 9 4 ja 36, 3 carry, 9 6 ja 54 plus 3 57, 11 minus 6 9, here 11 minus 7, that becomes 4.0. Can we take 8 times? 8 4 ja 32, 8 6 ja, no, 7 times. We can take this 7 times. So 7 4 ja 28, 2 carry, 7 6 ja 42 plus 2 44. If we minus 8, 0 minus 8 2, 8 minus 8 4, 42 becomes 420. If we minus, we can take 6 times. So I'm writing here 420. 6 times 24, 2 carry, 36 plus 2 34. So that becomes, means 9.76 minus 4.2 something, 2 1 or some 2 something. So that becomes 6 5.5. 5.56, option number A. Next question. Simplify this. That seems like 3 is to 1 by 4 plus 4.8 divided by 1.2 plus 2.5 into 3 by 5. So that seems easy. You can solve this. How? 4 times divided, and that is 13 by 4 plus 4 plus 5, 5 is 25, that becomes 1.5, that becomes 5.5 plus 13 upon 4. Okay, so just take this by 10, 5 to the 10, that becomes 11. So 13 by 4 plus 22 by 4. So 3 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 35 by 4. Option number A. Next question. Simplify this. So that becomes easy. 1 by 5 plus root 3 plus 1 by 5 minus root 3. A minus b, a plus b. Minus 10 upon 25 minus 3, that is 21. A plus b, a minus b, 25 minus 3. And here 5 minus root 3, 5 plus root 3. So root 3 will be deducted, 5, 5, 10. So 10 upon 21. This becomes 10 upon 21. And this becomes 10 upon 21. 0. Okay. Answer is 0. Next question. That's easy question. 16 into 5. So 16 into 5 means 4 root 5 plus 9 into 5 means 3 root 5 minus root 5. So 4 plus 3, 7 minus 1, 6 root 5. Option number D. Next question. It's a good question. How are you going to solve this? 7 minus this divided by this into, it means we don't have to solve this first. Let's move here. So 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. Fine. And this is 1 by 8. So that becomes 3 by 8 and 1 by 8. 4 by 8 means 1 by 2. So that solves 1 by 2. Now, after we have solved this completely, 1 by 2. So 7 minus 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 2 means 2 by 1 multiplied by. When we divide a number, and if we want to write in multiplication, the multiple in the multiplication, so we can reverse that. So 4, 2 to the 4, 2, 7 ja 14 minus 3. Next, 3 is to 1 by 4, 3 is to 1 by 4 plus 4.8 divide by 0.85 plus 1.6 into 3 by 4. It is also a good question. You can solve this. Before I solve, okay, how you can solve this? 13 by 4. 0.85 is there. So that is the actual problem. But that is not the problem, because here you can see the 85 is there. So we are not going to solve 85. Simple. 4 4 ja 16 and 4 3 ja 12. 1.2. 1.2. Okay, 1.2. Make in the mind, that is 1.2. So we are going to write this 1.2. 1.2. Fine. Now that becomes 13 by 4. So that becomes 13 by 4 plus 48. 4.8 means 48. If we see this 48, so that becomes 24 by 5, isn't it? Now 0.85 plus that becomes 6 by 5. Okay. Now the LCM is, let us solve this first. So that becomes the LCM 20 and 65 plus 96. Divide by 0.85 plus 6 by 5. Now I'm erasing this. Fine. So 6 plus 5, 11, 9 plus 6, 15, plus 1, 61, divided by 20. So that is actually, if we multiply here, so 8.5 plus 2, 17, plus 6 by 5. If we take this here, so we multiply, we get 17. So 85 is the LCM. That becomes 5 times 5 1 5, 5 6 30, 5 1 5 plus 3, 8 plus here 17, 102. Just add this. There, here is the answer, 907. Okay. Little hard work you have to do here, and use the mind as much as you can in this question. Now here is the question. Solve this. Okay. 3 by 4 plus this question, 7 by 8. Now it is division, so write reverse in the multiplication. Divide by 5 by 3 minus, use your mind here, 4 by 9, 3 by 5. So 3 3 is 9. So 4 by 15. Understood? Now we have to solve this as well. 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8. Now, see here. If we solve this further, that gives 3 by 4. Or else, let's take LCM here. 4 and 5. 4 into 5, 20. So the LCM is 20 here. Now 5 times 3, 5 are 15, plus 3 into 7, 21, divide by this. 15 is the LCM here. 5 into 5, 25, minus 4. That becomes 36 by 20, divided by 21 by 15. So 5 3 are 15, 5 4 are this. Okay. So 4 9 are 36, and 3 7 are 21. 9 by 7 is the right answer. So this is not that hard, and this is easy. You can solve this. 7 by 9, 5 by 6, divided by 11 by 12, minus 2 by 5. Okay. Take the LCM, solve this question. You can solve. How we can solve this? Take the LCM, that is 18. So 2 times 14 plus 3 times 15. Okay. Any issue? No issue. Here we can take the LCM similarly, 60. 5 times, that becomes 55, minus 12 times, that becomes 24. That is equal to 29 by 18 divided by 31 by 60. So that can be written as 29 by 18 into 60 by 31. 6 3s are 6 10s are 3 into 31, 93. Don't solve this anymore. What to solve this? Just multiply 93 and into 10, 290. We had already solved that. Now, so the first topic is done, and you could have seen that how many questions were there, and we have to solve this in that particular page, so that could help us. Okay. Now square root system, you just try this first question. Okay, I'm coming. Solve this. Could you? Now, how I have told you that you have to think about this, how it made the 7. So that is, and 4 root 3 is also there. Okay, so root 3, it means 2 and then root 3. Square of 2 and the root 3. So this is 2 plus root 3 whole square, plus similarly this is 2 minus root 3 whole square. How it is made? How 4 root 3? It means 2ab simply. So think in the mind, you can solve this question. That is easy, not tough. So what they have asked, the whole square of this. Okay, now you can solve this question. So that is the whole square of this and that. Now you can write, and this is in under root. So when the square goes, that becomes root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. 3 root 3 is subtracted from root 3, so 2 to 4. Okay, next question. Try this. That's very easy question. That's very easy question. You know that when we do the square, so a square plus b square minus 2ab, so a square plus b square is 7 plus 3 10 answer. And the answer is in minus 2ab, that's why this, otherwise plus 10 is also there and plus 2 root 21 is also there. Now how can you solve this? I have already told you that this portion always deducts. What is left is the square and the sum of the square of both. So 4 plus 7 11 is the answer. Within seconds you can solve these questions. Now here is the actual question of square roots. How you will solve this? So you must be aware of that this seems that this is either the square of this or this. How? Because the unit digit we have 1. So 1, either 9 into 9 creates 1 at the unit digit, or 9 in either one, nothing else. Similarly here you can see, sir, uh, sir, why 91? Why not 80? Because 9 9 are 81. So that is more than 81. It means 9. How you can reach here similarly? Tell me. Sir, when we multiply 5 into 5, that becomes 25. So it means this is not from 25. Okay, sir. Then this number belongs to the ratio 4, either 49 or 41. Now you can think of this, either 49 or 41. Okay, sir. Now can you think that what are the possibilities here? Sir, if we minus from this, if these are the numbers, I'm not going to actually find the square of these at all. Why? This question does not demand. You will understand. Just wait and watch. So if we minus, because here is minus, so if we minus 9, 9 minus 9 0. Do we have unit digit 0? No. Similarly, if we minus, do we have unit digit? No. Okay. Now two more possibilities. What? Either this minus this or this minus this. So when you minus this, 9 minus 1, so that becomes 8. Do we have 8 in the unit digit? No, sir. Now minus from this, and this is the actually answer. So 11 minus 9, that is 2, and 8 minus 4, that is 4. 42. Have you ever tried like this? No, sir. Let's solve this question. So here is 7921. That is very close to 80 and 90, but not 90, not possible. So either 89 or 81, because unit digit is 1. 81 is very close to 64, means maximum this can go 65. So 89 is here. Confirmed 89. We confirm 89 minus. So this number 0.25. So when we have 25 at the end, it means it is the square of any number which unit digit have 5. And how becomes 2070? That is very close to 40 to 50. So when it is 40 or 50, so 50 cannot be possible because it makes 2500. This is not 25. Then 40. But we have 0 at the unit digit 2070. So we have to think it cannot be 41 into 40. It can be 0 if we multiply. But it cannot make 2070. This is small number. So we have to think the next one. That can have make 0, 40 to 45. That becomes 5 to the 10, 4 to the 8, 5 4 to 20, plus 8 20, plus 8 20 29. No, it is not making 7, 45 46. That is making 0. 3 is carry, 5 4 is 20 and 24, 44 plus 3 47, 4 4 is 16 and plus 4 20. Yeah, it is making. So this is 45 because we multiply with one more number extra. So that is 45.5, the square of this 1 by 4. Now what you can do is minus and divide. So 45.5. So here you can say 5, 8 minus 5, 3, and 4 minus 8 minus 4, this. That becomes 1 time. Okay, next question. 441. This is very easy question. 21 plus 19 minus 10. Next is 7255. So this must be 85. Why? 5 5 is 25, 8 into 9, 72. Very easy. So 85 minus, from 53 you have to multiply this. So it means it should be the square of 53. 5 minus 3, 2, 32. Next question. Again 89. This is the square of this, means we have to minus 58. And either this is the square of 60 to 70. Why? 60 is 36, 70 is 49. So either 70, not 73 or 63 or 73. And 9, how is 9 made a rest? Nothing. So 73 could not be possible, 63 is possible. 63 minus 58. No. 67 is also possible. Why? Because 7 7 is 19, 49. So 9 is also here. So it probably will be 70 minus 8. 9 is the answer. Because if we minus from this, so we do not have. And even this is not the square of 44, 89. This could be. Now, next question is this: simplify. How can you simplify this? That's very easy. Take the, don't think 0.12, 0.24, just think 12 and 24. Common, take common 12. This becomes 1, this becomes 2, square of 2. Here you can have the same, take 3. Take 3 from where? Here, so 1 plus 2 square. This becomes same, 3 4 is 12, option number A. This is how you can solve. Next question is, this is definitely 775 because 7 is 56, and this is 12, it means 35 because 3 4 is 12, minus plus, that becomes 25. 50 is the answer. This should be the speed, man. Which of the following equals 20? Think of this. 8 16 plus 4 minus 2 plus 2ab, 20. 9 plus 1, 9 plus 11 is also 20, but we do not have something to minus. Similarly, this is 13 plus 7, 20. Oh, but here we have 4 and 2ab. No, this is the answer. Why 2ab? We need 2ab, not 4ab. Next is, so that is done. Now, well is whole square or cube. On the basis of this, we have the question on the basis of whole square or cube. Okay, and 1 2 3 this much questions are there, and then we have miscellaneous, and that's it. Okay, so let's solve this question now. Oh, how will you solve this? The value of x, we have a plus b and a minus b. So what you can do is, if you want the value of x, what you can do is root x plus root y and root x minus root y is equal to 7 is equal to 3. just add them. If you add them, this will be minus 10 to root x. This becomes 5, and if you square, so that will be 25, the square of 5. Next is this. So always remember a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. What comes the result is, here we get a square plus b square 2 times. Why? Because that becomes, oh sorry, in the case of plus this happens. So that becomes a square plus b square plus 2ab, and that becomes minus a square minus b square plus 2ab. So here you finish this all, that becomes 4ab in the case of minus. In the case of plus, it happens a square plus b square 2 times. Always remember, in the case of minus 4ab, and in the case of plus 2 root 2 a square plus b square, that happens. So 4ab, 13 into 5, 65. Answer number A. Next question. Next question. Simplify this. Under root this, it means we have to make 14, and 2ab means this. Simply, this is the mean. Okay, so that becomes 14. This. How? The square of 3, 9. The square of 5, root 5 is 5. 9 plus 5, 14, and 2ab. 2 3 is 6, root 5. Okay, option number C. How 17 made? 2ab. 2ab. We have to think of 2ab. How we can make 2ab, and 17 also. 9 plus 4, 25. How we will make 17? This 3 3 is 9, and 2 2 is 4. 9 plus 4, no, 4 and 2 8. 3 3 is 9 plus 2 2 is 4 to 8. This could be that. And then 2ab. 2ab, 2 3 is, this is the answer. Okay. You can we use unit digit here? It's very tough. We don't have. So how can we? So multiplying this is a very big task, but we can imagine how long we will go. Imagine this is 3400. 34, not 100, 34. Okay, if we square, so squaring 34 is easy. Why? 4 4 is 16, 4 3 is 12, 4 3 is 12, 12, 24 plus 1, 25, 2 carry, 3 3 is 9 plus 2, 11, 11 56. So 7 3 9 6, 11 56 means this should be 0.12, should be more than that. But still, if we minus, so we'll be in the minus answer. 7 minus 1 6, almost here. So we don't need to solve that. B whole square minus a minus b whole square. I have told you 4ab. So 4 into, then 4 into 27 into 3, 81, that is 9. What is the problem here, man? In the case of minus, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square. Oh, we don't have the same number. That's what is happening. I thought we need to solve this, guys. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2ab means 2 into 9, because 27 into 3, 89, minus a square plus b square plus 2ab. It means 2 into 6. So 27 plus 3 plus 2 9 ja 18 minus 12 minus 3 plus minus 12. So that is 3 3 18 minus 12 6. 24 is there in negative. 24. So that becomes minus 6 21. Next, miscellaneous. and you can solve this easily. I'm not going to solve this because you have learned this. Okay, so this is for you. This PDF will be in the Telegram. You can go and solve this. Okay, so you have to solve this. Find the value of x. Under root a plus b plus a minus b under root divided by this. You can solve this, and similarly this 15 plus root this, how this goes. And another question is that simplify this, and that's it. That was for yours. This is the home. Okay, so meet you in the next session. I hope that you must have liked the session. If you liked it, share it, subscribe the channel. Thank you. Jai Hind.